Okay, today our math lesson is about using fractions on a number line. It's Math 7.5, fractions on a number line. So we've studied fractions with circles and with those fraction strips, and we're going to need those today, so dig them out. I hope you didn't throw them away. I threw mine away. And I also crumpled them, so I have to try and straighten them out to show you the lesson today. Anyway, okay, we're going to talk about fractions on a number line, and this is just a piece of a number line. I want you to think about what numbers would be between 0 and 1. 1 is the whole, so fractions would be the numbers between 0 and 1. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/8, however big that is. So now your whole is from a 0 to a 1 on a number line. And we are going to use your fraction strips. In your math journal, on page 229, you're going to see a page like this. It's called Fraction Number Line Poster. So we're going to work on a poster today. So get your math journal and get your fraction strips. Pause the video if you need to. All right, so on this poster, you can see at the top, it's got the whole is your 0 to the 1, just like the fraction strip was the whole, or the big red circle was the whole. This time, it's part of a number line, 0 to 1. So all of these are 0 to 1. But we're going to use these words on the side to help us know what to divide that line into. So a good way to do this is to use your fraction strips. So on the first one, as you can see, it wants to be divided into halves. It's got the denominator box empty here and 2 boxes empty here. So if we're dividing it into halves, what's our denominator going to be? You're right, it's going to be a 2. Because halves are 2 pieces, 2 equal pieces. So we know that on our page we're going to have 2's in those boxes. Then a good way that you can use your fraction strip to make the mark for it is to take your crumpled up half piece, fold it in half like you did for the other activity, hold it up to your number line, starting at the 0 halves, and make a mark. Now I need to lay this down to do it the right way, so you lay yours down right now. I'm going to put my mark for half. I got it. And then I'm going to write the fraction. Okay, now the reason I wrote 1/2, you already know, but I've got my friend little Harry Potter here. He's going to help me. That when Harry Potter is traveling along the number line, he's at 0 halves. If he moves this much, it's 1/2. So if he moves another space of that, he's at, you got it, 2 halves. So let's write that down. Drop my marker. So then you can practice with whatever creature you can find. 0 halves, 1/2, 2 halves. All right, Harry likes it. All right, so your next one says fourths. So you find your 4th strip. And this is going to be a little more to mark. So you fold it. I would do this. I would fold it back, and fold it again. So you have just 1/4 showing. Hold that up there. Ah! It's getting away from me. Okay. So you're going to hold it up next to your 0 and make a mark right there for 1/4. Unfold another one to make 2 of them so that you can mark 2/4 Unfold another one so you can mark your 3/4 and so on. Make sure that you've put 4 as your denominator. And now I need to mark mine. So take some time and mark yours. Mine turned out a little small, so yours might also. Yep. Maybe it fits better on your book. Mine is a little small. I hope it fits better on your book. Sometimes when I'm increasing or decreasing the size, when I'm copying things, it doesn't work. So pretend that these are all 4 matching spaces. Technical difficulties. So if Harry is traveling along the line, he's at 0/4. He moves that amount and he gets to 1/4. Now Harry travels 2/4. And of course Harry's going to travel 3/4. And the final one, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Okay. So you also will be adding to this, you're going to be doing 1/8, 1/3, and 1/6. Now what's really cool, after you have your whole poster done, you can take a ruler or something with a straight edge and mark. I've only got 2 done here, so it's not going to be as great to see as when you have it done. If you put your ruler straight along 1/2, as you go down to the other fractions you made, everything along that ruler is going to be an equivalent fraction. For example, I have another poster here that does have the numbers in. If I put, let's see, this goes from 1 to 2, so I'm going to stay over here. And I'm going to line my ruler up with 1/2 here. And as I look down my ruler, you can see 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8. So your poster will help you line up all the fractions that are equal or equivalent to each other. So I want you to finish your poster. And when you take a picture of your poster, put the ruler on there at 1/2 so I can see how it goes down and how you did. The other thing I'd like you to get done today is math boxes on page 231. All right, let me know if you have any questions. So I'm expecting pictures of 229, the poster, and 231 math boxes. Okay, have a good day.